Good morning. This video is helped to support the HiSET free practice test, question number 3. So in this question, we're asked to think about a coordinate plane and for what values of x will the graph f of x is the absolute value of x and g of x is the absolute value of x intersect. So these two functions are exactly the same. When you have a problem like this, just do a sketch of the coordinate plane. X, y, and then plug in a couple numbers. So when I plug in x is 0, if I plug in 0 for x, f of 0 equals 0. My point's going to be right here. If I plug in 0 for x here, I get 0. Okay, perfect. Let's plug in, let's say like 2 and negative 2. So in f of x, I say f of 2 equals the absolute value of 2, which equals 2. Okay. So f of x 2, if I plug in 2, my output's 2. G of 2 equals the absolute value of 2, which equals 2. Okay, so g of x is exactly the same thing. Let's plug in negative 2. I'm going to do it just down here. So f of negative 2 equals the absolute value of negative 2, which equals positive 2. G of negative 2 equals, let's plug it in right here, the absolute value of negative 2, which equals positive 2. Okay, so at negative 2, both f and g are the same. And as you can see, these are exactly the same, so I can assume that my pattern continues, and I get a nice absolute value graph. So what I notice is that my question's saying, for when will this intersect? But they're exactly the same graph. So that tells me that they're always going to intersect. They're right on top of each other. So it's not just for x equals 1. It's not for 0 and 1 because we proved it for 2. So it can't be those. For x greater than 0, no, because we proved it at negative 2. For x greater than or equal to 0 only, no, because we proved it at negative 2. So even if I didn't understand that these are the same functions, I could still, by elimination, see that the correct answer is E, all real numbers. If you have more questions on this type of problem, look at the resources for algebraic concepts, specifically standard number 11 and 12. And also, because this is a system, we could also look at standard number 7. And that'll give you some more detailed information. I hope this helps. Have a great day.